Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with JS Hobbies and Crafts, and this is a project share using the Graphic 45 Magic of Oz paper collection. And I made this for a client of mine. So this is an 8.5 by 6 3/4 inch, and it has about a 3-inch spine on it. This part is chipboard, and there's actually a fence, chipboard fence underneath here. So this is magnetic, and it pops open. And we have a picture mat here, so you can put a picture if you'd like, or just leave it so you can see that through there. So there was a lot of fussy cutting in this, guys, and I ended up using 110-pound cardstock for this. So over here, what we have is a pocket with some tags. And this is magnetic, and it folds up. And there's a place down here for a photograph. Up here is a suspended pocket, so you can just kind of tuck a photo back up in there on the picture mat, or place one right in here. Down here, this is a picture mat, but I made it so you can still slide another picture mat back behind. Okay, here, these are little metal turns. So when you turn them, you can open these up. This folds out, and there's a great place right here to plant a photo. Plant a photo over here, a couple of them. And then over here, what we have is a little flip up. And then we have a little waterfall. And to conserve on paper, I did it like this. So you just plant your photo right here. Okay, coming over here. This is one of the chipboard pieces in the collection, and there's a little pull tab here. And you can pull this out, and you can place your photo. Use this as your guide to place your photo and cut out and around it, and then you can frame it back in here. But also, I tucked a picture mat back behind, and that is completely up to my client whether or not she wants to do it that way or put this in the pocket. But there's a place right here for a photo too. And it just kind of slides back in there. Okay, more fussy cutting over here where I fussy cut this out and around, and I backed it with 110-pound cardstock. This is a little pocket. I have a small little picture mat in there. And this is just a little folder with some areas to place. This is a large pocket back here, and I have a very large picture mat. On the flip side, she can place a photo and do some journaling. And I've got some picture mats here too. Going to the next page, this is a large side pocket, and I did quite a bit of die cutting in this. Just a picture mat. Now this will fold out, and you can place a photo right here. You can even plant a couple photos here if you'd like. And then back here on the back page, plenty of places for photos. And then here is a pocket with a couple picture mats. Alright, over here, this is a small little tuck area, and I just placed this on in there. This is just a little corner pocket, and you just slide things in and out. And I made this folder, and you just stick photos in there. And then here's a picture mat. And it just slides right back in. Next page. Now this is a fun one because this is a pop-up. So this little metal turn is here, and then you can just pop it up and you can place your photos here, here, and here. And then you just close it back up. Up here is another metal turn, and then these are several fold-outs. So here's a fold-out, and there's a little pocket over here. You can put a good sized picture mat in there. Now this is another fold out, and what we have here is a pocket. So very large pocket, you can just slide your thing in and out of there. And back here, I fussy cut out the Tin Man and the Straw Man, the Scarecrow. And then I just made a folder, and you can just place your photos right on in there. Just slides back in, and then you can place photos here. Okay, the next pages, I needed to have thinner pages. So I just made a couple tuck areas down here, and there's a picture mat there if my customer chooses to use those on these pages. And then there's another tuck area over here for another picture mat. And I think that would look really cute, something like that. But it's all according to her taste and how she would like to work it. Over here, a ton of fussy cutting was done. So this is a magnetic band, and this just flops out. The lion was fussy cut out, and he's actually a tuck area for your picture mat. Back here, same thing, fussy cut this out, and they are backed with the 110-pound cardstock to give them a little more durability there. Okay, this was fussy cut out as well, and it serves as a little pocket. And I just put this for a tag in there, and then I have a folder. It just all slides back in. Over here, Dorothy, she was fussy cut as well. And I had a lot of fun doing this with the individual characters. So pretty much just slide a photo mat right back behind her. Slides right on in there. Okay, it's magnetic and it opens up. Great place for photo. Fussy cut again. And these just come right out. A couple picture mats there. Just slide right back in. Alright, so this will fold out again, and there's just open area to plant photos. Coming to our last pages here, we have a large pocket back here with a 5x7 and a 4x6 back in there. And we also have a little tuck area for some of these little cards. Little fun cards. Okay, so last page here, fussy cut out again and backed with 110-pound cardstock, and he's just holding in the picture mat. And it is magnetic and it opens up, and there's a place here to plant a photo. And then a large pocket in the back. So that is my project share, and I will be using some of these elements in a different tutorial. It was a lot of fun, really easy, and I have a great paper picked out for some of the things I wanted to do. Thanks for joining me. Happy crafting, everybody. Until next time.